Did you know that you can strengthen your bones by up to 50% using a simple, affordable food that may already be in your kitchen? Imagine not needing expensive medications or complex supplements, yet still starting to notice a real difference in your strength and mobility in a short time. But the secret isn't just in the type of food, it's in how you combine these powerful elements. Imagine that a simple fall could completely change your life. What's surprising is that osteoporosis isn't as rare as many people think. 1 in 3 women and 1 in 5 men over the age of 50 are at risk of fractures. It's not just about pain. It's about losing independence and becoming afraid to move. And yet, some people have fully regained their strength and confidence simply by changing what they put on their plates every day. So, are you ready to discover the secret? Let's start with food number 6, sardines. They may seem simple, but they're actually one of the most powerful foods for building bones. They combine calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus in a remarkable way that directly supports the skeletal system. Imagine that just 100 grams of sardines can give you more calcium than a glass of milk. Even better, this calcium is ready for absorption thanks to the presence of vitamin D. With regular consumption, you may notice a clear difference in your bone strength. But this is just the beginning. Now pay attention. There's a simple mistake that can destroy all these benefits without you even realizing it. You'll discover it at the end of this video. Now let's move to a real surprise: sesame seeds. Those tiny seeds we use for decoration hide tremendous power. Just 1 tablespoon contains a significant amount of calcium, and with 3 tablespoons a day, you can reach the equivalent of 2 glasses of milk. But the real secret is that they also contain magnesium and phosphorus, the elements that help anchor calcium in the bones and prevent its loss. Imagine adding just a small sprinkle daily, as if you're building a protective layer for your bones without even noticing. Now let's move on to a silent hero that's often overlooked: broccoli. This green vegetable isn't just healthy, it's a powerful weapon against bone loss. Why? Because it contains vitamin K, a key nutrient that helps keep calcium inside the bones instead of being lost elsewhere in the body. Broccoli also contains strong antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support joint health. Just 1 cup of steamed broccoli may be enough to give your bones a strong boost. But don't stop here. If you've made it this far, you truly care about your health. Keep going, because what's next is even more important. Now we come to an ideal option for those who don't like dairy products: almonds. These small nuts aren't just a snack, they're real protection for your bones. A handful contains calcium, magnesium, and vitamin E, all working together to protect bones from weakness and deterioration. Even better, they provide steady energy and help maintain your body's balance throughout the day. Imagine replacing an unhealthy snack with a handful of almonds. It's like investing directly in your body's strength. But what I'm about to tell you now may change everything you know about strengthening bones. What about the real foundation of bone building? Here comes the role of beans, especially black beans. If calcium is the cement, these legumes are the building blocks that give bones their structure. They're rich in magnesium, phosphorus, and plant-based protein, making them one of the most complete foods for supporting the skeletal system. With regular consumption, you may notice improvements not only in your bones, but in your overall strength as well. And yet, there's still something even more powerful. Now get ready, because we've reached the strongest of all. Food number 1, which may surprise you: bone broth. Yes, this simple traditional dish is one of the most powerful natural ways to support bone strength. When bones are slowly cooked, collagen and essential minerals are released, helping strengthen the skeletal structure and improve flexibility. Collagen acts like a glue that holds bones together and gives them the ability to absorb impact. With regular use, you may feel a noticeable difference in your joints, movement, and even daily comfort. But pay attention. These foods are truly powerful, but they require consistency to show results. You might ask, how do I apply all of this? It's simpler than you think. Start by adding sesame seeds or almonds daily. Make broccoli and beans part of your meals. Choose sardines from time to time. And don't forget bone broth. The secret isn't one single food, it's variety and consistency. But before we finish, there's a common mistake that can destroy all these benefits without you realizing it. You might eat the best foods, but your body doesn't benefit from them because calcium can't be properly absorbed without vitamin D. And with too much salt and processed foods, you may actually lose calcium instead of benefiting from it. Imagine yourself after a short time, moving with confidence, walking without fear, and climbing stairs with ease. Start today with a small step, and you'll be amazed by the change. Now tell me, which of these foods will you start with first? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to support it by liking and subscribing.